is Yogi, and I'm a HR Management. Please join me in welcoming our new employee engagement specialist. We are delighted to have her join our team.
Hello everyone, I'm Vivian as an employee engagement specialist. Good morning, I'm Freda as engagement manager.
Good morning, I'm as a sales manager.
Hello, I'm Arya as the marketing manager.
Thank you. The purpose of today's meeting is to discuss low employee engagement and its impact on productivity. We will identify the causes and solutions. First of all, at the last meeting, we agreed to conduct an employee engagement survey. Let's review the result today.
Of course, the survey was sent out last week to all departments. We got about a 40% response rate and preliminary results show a significant drop in engagement scores.
I sit reflected on the floor. Morale is low and we're seeing more absenteeism.
Our sales target also sleepy. The team feel demotivated and it showed in their performance.
In marketing, we are seeing higher employee turnover when engagement is low, people more likely to leave.
Thank you for the information. If there's nothing else, let's move on to today's agenda. There are 3 things in our agenda. First, review the current engagement results. Second, discuss the factors that lead to low engagement. Third, purpose action to improve engagement and productivity. I would like to go through them in order. Let's start with the first thing. The current level is engagement. Employee engagement specialist, do you want to start this?
Thank you. According to our survey data, only 55% of employees reported being highly engaged, down from 65% in the previous quarter. This is a significant drop. Gallup research showed that highly engaged teams have about 18% higher productivity than disengaged teams.
The numbers match what we see on the ground. Productivity has dropped about 15% since our engagement levels dropped. People are not so proactive when morale is low.
In sales, our conversion rate has also dropped. Team members are less enthusiastic, making it harder to close deals.
From a marketing perspective, low engagement means employees don't support our brand as much. Our message becomes less effective if employees are not motivated. It is important to note that this problem is not unique to us. Gallup recently reported that global engagement dropped from 23% to 21%, costing the global economy about $438 billion in lost productivity.
That's enough for the first point. If no one has anything to add, let's move on to the next point. Operation Manager, would you like to start our discussion on what might be causing low engagement?
Of course, one of the main factors is workload. After the recent budget cuts, the remaining staff are handling more tasks, leading to burnout.
I agree. In addition, I feel we don't reward them enough. We have clear goals, but not much positive feedback or incentive when those goals are achieved.
With all due respect, I think focusing on early incentive will only be part of the problem. We also have to communicate in depth. Teams don't get regular updates on the direction of the company, so employees are out of the loop. The survey comments support that many mention lack of feedback, poor communication, and limited growth opportunities. Those issues clearly hurt engagement. To summarize, addressing this, implementing a feedback system, improving communication, and career development should be the key. Recognition program can also make employees feel valued.
Additionally, balancing the workload is crucial. Perhaps we need to consider hiring or eligibility tasks so no one is overwhelmed.
We could also consider revising incentive program and planning team events. For example, a salesperson of the amount worth of performance bonus may motivate them to.
I suggest improving leadership communication. For example, a monthly town hall or newsletter could help employees understand our goals and feel involved. These are all great suggestions. To sum up, we should focus on recognition, communication, and workload balance as our priorities.
I agree. I'll coordinate with my team to start rebalancing workloads and consider hiring where needed.
I'm on board too. I work on revising our incentive plan and organizing teamwork even to boost morale.
And I'll improve our internal communications by scheduling town halls and regular updates so everyone stays informed.
Okay, before we close today's meeting, let's just summarize the main points. Our employee engagement has dropped significantly and we've seen impact on productivity and retention. We identified key issues: heavy workload, poor communication, and lack of recognition. We agree to implement measures such as regular feedback loops, recognition program, and better workload management. If there are no other comments, I'd like to wrap this meeting up. Thank you all for this insight. Let's bring this meeting to a close for today.